is the right time to book profits in mutual funds? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep will share his thoughts with you now.
Typically, why do you want to book profit? So I have illustrated one example, say, wherein if you miss the 10 best days, your return get reduced. We nowhere know the best days might be yet to come also. So if you want to do, again, I think everything is related to goal and the investment horizon. If you have certain things in mind, probably you want to buy something, then probably do a profit booking. Otherwise, stay invested. The market moves up and down, because if you want to redeem some part of money, keep something in the debt, and wait for the market to correct and then re-enter, then probably it would be wrong. Say, for example, market may move up from here another 10% and then correct about 5%. So although market has moved up by 5%, but you are entering at higher cost than the 5%. So it becomes little typical situation, dicey situation, whether to book profits or not. I think rather being invested in the market is a better way. Or you want to do this kind of a transaction, then probably balanced or a hybrid kind of products would be better for you. So these transactions, probably they would look good, but when you try to do this execution, it becomes very difficult to manage.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.